Unlock your business's true potential with lightning-fast, conversion-focused funnels and websites. Struggling to build an online presence that truly resonates with your audience? WebCon platform empowers you to create stunning, high-converting funnels, websites, and membership sites in record time. Harness the power of AI to elevate your brand and drive exceptional results. Imagine the freedom and growth that comes with effortlessly creating a professional, optimized online presence. WebCon are designed to inspire, engage, and convert your audience, helping you skyrocket your business to new heights. Join the ranks of the satisfied clients who are achieving unparalleled success through the innovative tools and unwavering support. WebCon is a never-seen-before WordPress technology that creates ultra-fast, high-converting funnels, professional business websites, and membership sites in 3 easy clicks. With WebCon, anyone can create and sell premium funnels, professional business websites, and membership sites to globally scattered customers under their brand name to business owners with zero tech or marketing skills. Here are some of its benefits. First, to market next-gen technology that helps newbies create professional, mind-blowing funnels, business websites, and membership sites in 3 clicks. Instantly create high-converting page funnels, lead funnels, launch funnels, webinar funnels, etc. without even a single line of code or design skills. Use world's most innovative drag-and-drop website builder to edit anything in few seconds. Ensure effortless monetization globally with payment gateways integrations from PayPal, Stripe. Get over 5,000 high-converting page templates crafted by experts in 1,000 red-hot niches. Smartly create mind-blowing, mobile-friendly websites and landing pages to convert random visitors into happy customers. One-click AI-assisted page creation to create any page for any niche or audience. Build your own funnel, websites, membership sites on your own domain and servers to boost your branding. Stop paying thousands of dollars monthly to Stone Age funnel and membership site builders. Use these industry-standard funnels, websites, and membership sites to create multiple set-and-forget passive income streams. No third-party dependency, ever create everything from one central dashboard. Proprietary tech helps join thousands of marketers who are making billions by selling high-in-demand funnel and website creation services to clients. 100% easy-to-use, newbie-friendly technology that's never seen before. Limited-time commercial license included to provide top-notch services. Don't settle for anything less than the best. Start building your dream online presence today and watch your business soar. Check the link in the description to watch how easy it is to use WebCon in just a few clicks.